Hi, today we're going to be making some roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic vinegar and honey. Here are the ingredients. We're going to cut up your Brussels sprouts in half and put the Brussels sprouts in a pan. I'm going to sprinkle some grapeseed oil over it. Add a little salt to taste. I'm just going to mix the ingredients up real quickly here and spread it out evenly onto the pan. So I'm going to preheat the oven for about 350 degrees and place the pan in there. Let it cook for about 10 minutes or so. This is what your Brussels sprouts will look like. Once that's done, just take it out of the pan. So I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. Just going to mix that up. And here are your Brussels sprouts with balsamic vinegar and honey. It's one of my favorites. Enjoy! Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!